Today, we're diving deep into the best and worst Honda vehicles you can buy. Honda has built its reputation on being one of the most reliable car brands in the world. But here's the truth, not every Honda is a winner. So in this video, we'll cover the worst Honda models and years to avoid, along with the best Hondas to buy if you want long-term reliability and value. Stick around because you might be surprised which Hondas made the list of the best Hondas ever built and which ones are remembered as the bad Hondas to buy. Let's get started. When people ask about the worst Honda vehicle, the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord V6 is often the first to come up. On paper, it looked like one of the best Honda models. Stylish, roomy, and powered by a smooth V6 engine. But one major flaw ruined it: the automatic transmission. These cars suffered catastrophic failures, often before 80,000 miles. Drivers reported hard shifting, slipping gears, or outright transmission breakdown. Replacement costs? Nearly $3,000 or more. That's not what you want from a supposedly reliable Honda. Sadly, this model year stands out as one of the bad Hondas to buy if you're hunting in the used car market. Next up, we've got the 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic, and this one shocked everyone. Usually the Civic is Honda's most reliable car, but this generation was widely considered one of the worst Honda Civics ever made. Why? Cost cutting. The global financial crisis pushed Honda to rush out a redesign, and the result was cheap interior plastics, uncomfortable seats, and a dull driving experience. Critics called it uninspiring, and even loyal Civic fans were let down. While Honda tried to fix things with updates in 2013 and 2014, the damage to the Civic's image was already done. If you're looking for the best Honda Civic to buy used, avoid these years and go for the earlier 2006 to 2011 or the newer 2016 Plus models instead. Now let's talk SUVs. The 2016 to 2018 Honda Pilot promised a lot, but fell short. With 3 rows, V6 power, and modern styling, it seemed like the perfect family SUV. But many buyers quickly found it was one of the worst Honda SUVs to own from that era. The culprit? The 9-speed automatic transmission. Owners reported clunky, hesitant shifting and occasional hard jerks when accelerating. Add in infotainment glitches, premature brake wear, and build quality issues, and you've got a Honda SUV that just didn't deliver. Lower trims with the 6-speed transmission were more reliable, but overall this generation left many owners frustrated. Alright, now that we've covered the bad Hondas to buy, let's switch gears and talk about the models that truly live up to the Honda reputation. These are the most reliable Hondas, the ones that go 200,000 miles or more, and the ones that still dominate the used car market today. This generation of the Honda Civic is legendary. It's lightweight, fun, fuel-efficient, and practically indestructible. Many owners still daily drive them with over 300,000 miles on the clock. They're simple to maintain, affordable to repair, and one of the most reliable Hondas ever built. For the 1996 to 2000 Honda Civic 6th generation, the best model depends on what you value most. The key trims are the SI, performance-oriented, the EX, well-equipped daily driver, HX, fuel-efficient, and the customizable basic CX and DX models. Whether you're a student, commuter, or tuner, this Civic is one of the best Honda cars to buy used. All are known for being highly reliable. If you want a blend of reliable Honda engineering and fun driving, this Civic is one of the best models to buy. After a rough patch in the early 2000s, Honda nailed it with the 8th generation Civic. Known for its futuristic two-tier dashboard and strong reliability, this Civic offered something for everyone. For the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic, the 8th generation, the 2009 to 2011 model years are the most reliable and have the fewest widespread issues. The earlier years in this generation were affected by some significant engine problems that were later resolved. The SI trim with its high revving engine became a cold favorite. Meanwhile, the base 1.8-liter was efficient and dependable. As the later model years of the 8th generation, the 2009, 2010, and 2011 Civics benefited from Honda addressing and correcting problems found in the first few years. These vehicles retain the classic 8th gen styling and fuel efficiency with fewer major mechanical concerns. Next up, the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord. This is widely regarded as one of the most reliable Honda sedans ever made. With its refined ride, upscale interior, and rock-solid drivetrain options, it set the standard for mid-size sedans. As the post-facelift years of the 9th generation, the 2016 and 2017 models are a safer choice due to fewer reported issues compared to earlier models. These years include an upgraded infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a new front grille, and headlights. The 2015 model is also a strong choice, as it is considered the most reliable year of the generation with fewer reported issues than the earlier models. You're getting a best Honda car to buy used that can easily go past 200,000 miles. It perfectly blended old-school Honda reliability with modern comfort. Don't overlook the Honda Fit. It's small on the outside, but massive on the inside thanks to Honda's Magic Seat system. 2018, a mid-cycle refresh brought significant upgrades, including the availability of Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the Honda Sensing Safety Suite on higher trims. 2019 offers all the upgrades from the 2018 refresh and maintains a strong reputation for reliability. 2017, a strong performer in reliability ratings. The 2017 model received the highest J.D. Power quality and reliability score, 85/100, within the 3rd generation. Need to haul a bike, furniture, or a pile of boxes? The Fit can handle it. The CVT models get over 35 mpg, while the manual versions are fun to drive. Owners regularly report 200,000 miles with few issues, making it one of the best Honda hatchbacks and one of the most underrated, reliable Hondas on the market. Finally, let's talk about SUVs done right. The 2008 to 2011 Honda CR-V. This generation avoided the transmission problems of some earlier Hondas and became one of the most reliable Honda SUVs ever made. With roomy interiors, strong fuel economy, and Honda's signature dependability, it's one of the best used SUVs to buy. Compared to rivals like the Toyota RAV4, the CR-V often wins on comfort, design, and overall value. For the 2010 and 2011 model years of the Honda CR-V, the 2011 model is generally the better choice. As the final year of this generation, Honda had time to work out some of the initial issues, leading to slightly better reliability ratings and fewer reported problems. The addition of the SE trim also offers another option for buyers. So, there you have it, the best and worst Honda vehicles you can buy. A well-maintained best Honda can last you decades, while a bad Honda to buy could drain your wallet with costly repairs. Which one surprised you the most? Do you own a most reliable Honda, or did you get burned by one of the bad ones? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.